still on scene.
Yeah, if you give us a 10-3, we got multiple cars still on scene.
I just checked in the main 10-3.
Hands! 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 Both of you! Hands! Hey! Stay there! You, driver, out of the car! Passengers, stay there! Out of the car now!
Hey, show your hands! Driver, step
Lay on the ground! Lay on the
on
ground!
the ground, right there! Lay on the ground! Lay down! Anybody hurt? Request it there!
I think we're okay. Passenger, using your right hand, get out of the car and stand up. Keep your hands straight up, hands straight up. Walk around the front of this car. You're gonna lay in this planter box right here. Straight up. Lay down. Both of you, hands straight out in front of you in a Y. Black sweatshirt, hands straight out. Up. Do not move. We will not hurt you if you follow our instructions. Okay.
Hey, 360 coverage.
There's no one else in that car.
Which car? In this car? Not in this car. I don't know where the other car was, but I shot at it. Hey, let's get this guy hands. Gray sweatshirt, just relax, just relax. Thank you guys for cooperating with us. You're gonna be okay. Hey, you're gonna be okay. Just stay right where you are, okay? Black sweatshirt, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You're gonna be fine.
Yes, sir.
Just chill right there, man.
Just stay there.
Get the rifle on CVS.
Okay, on CVS?
Hey, John.
I'm with you. I'm up.
Cool.
Just gotta be behind you for a second, but.
I'm good. Hey, we're all good with the car, right? Right here? Okay.
Hey, Clausen,
Hey,
get back, bud.
Dude. I know, but
The CVS is not.
Inside CVS, dude. They definitely got firearms.
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely multiple shots fired inside.
Hands! Both of you! Hands! Hey!